All right, time for some birthdays on this glorious Thursday morning, and we are beginning in Carl Junction with Remy Schmeidler, turning 2 years old today, and this comes with love from Mom and Dad. A very happy birthday to you today, Remy.
All right, and Ava Easley turning 10 years old this year. Looks like she's in her cheer uniform, ready for the big game in Joplin, with love from Mom, Dad, Gigi, and Papa. And I understand she is a 4th grade cheerleader for the Joplin Youth Cheer Team.
All right, and we've got Owen and Connor January. Oh, my goodness, I'm skipping a bit. We've got Langley Moore. You'll have the twins. I've got Langley Moore and Edna turning 12 with an excellent catch there, Langley. Happy birthday to you. Get out there and spend this beautiful day doing a little more fishing. I think it's all right if you take the day off.
Yeah, go Chiefs.
Absolutely.
All right, and we've got, as promised, Owen and Connor January celebrating birthday number 13 this year. The January twins are celebrating in Pittsburgh with love from Dad, Mom, your sister, be nice to her please, and your entire family.
And we've got Cooper Says turning 14 in Columbus. Cooper, a very, very happy birthday to you, and enjoy the party in the bus.
All right, and go Titans. And we've got Macy Clounch, this year's Chinook Mexican Fiesta Queen. That's an awesome title.
That is an excellent title.
Yes.
Why can't I have that title?
Macy is celebrating birthday number 18 this year in Chanute.
And heading off to the southeast, we've got Gage Roberts turning 23 years old in Neosho, and this comes with love from Aunt Angie, Ariel, Hunter, Mom, Matt, Lindsay, and Oliver. Happy 23rd birthday, Gage.
Looking good in that suit, that's for sure. All right, and Sue Moore celebrating birthday number 78. Looking great there, Sue, in Crestline.
And our birthday list continues with Carol Jones turning 54 today. Happy birthday, Carol. And in Miami, we've got Krista Pierce turning 51. A happy birthday to all of you on this beautiful Thursday.